The Engineers Without Borders Germany Challenge asks students to develop an experiment kit for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics education in classes starting at the 5th grade. We began by developing a first set of 9 experiments, all developed with the overall curriculum in mind. For example, music played on a self-built instrument is the backdrop for a song in a religious class. Energy stored in a rubber band battery spins a mirror ball in theater class. The solar clock becomes a permanent installation at the school building. Ideally, a wind turbine built by students charges the classroom laptop overnight. Our experiments are intended to ignite a permanent curiosity to work with scientific methods and utilize technology for the benefit of the community. Self-initiative and group discussions lead to inquisitiveness as the foundation for ongoing interest in mathematics and science. Additionally, we curate playlists of existing video tutorials worth watching and acting upon. For construction, we utilize easy-to-find or obtain materials. By motivating students to be on the watch for suitable materials on their way to school, we extend the classroom into their daily life. Our tests have shown that students require time and do not understand each task immediately. As a teacher, allow for this time and motivate students to read the instructional page thoroughly. Make room for group discussions, build variations, and sometimes even start from scratch. We hope to hear from all teachers working with the set and want to learn from you. How can we improve? Which exercise didn't work well? Which video should we include to the YouTube Video Teacher playlists? Send your feedback to Schmalkalden, and we are happy to provide updated lessons. This concludes a quick introduction, and there is more work ahead. We believe that all students can benefit from our development and will continue to improve and extend this set of experiments, not only for students in Uganda, but also in Germany and any other country of this world. We welcome your feedback and am happy to share the work developed by Schmalkalden Engineers Without Borders.